Hello friends, welcome to Pcyber Forum, www.pcyber.com.ng. Well, if you are lucky to might have found this amazing forum, then you are lucky enough to be among those that will be earning from it. Well, pcyber.com.ng or Pcyber Forum as it is not a get-rich scheme. I repeat, it's not a get-rich scheme. But we are going to be sharing lots of privileges, lots of ways to earn, lots of ways to benefit, and ways we'll see that we are helping others, because we always want to help others learn, help others to earn and overcome so many struggles of life. So I won't be explaining in details the full function of this forum, but I'll be heading straight to the referral contest and how you could be the winner of this contest. All you have to do once you visit www.pcyber.com.ng, sign up. I repeat, sign up. Just sign up. When you get to this referral, you can leave it blank, or you insert Pcyber as your first referral, or you leave it blank. Answer the questions and sign up. So I already have an account. Let me log in. Let me show you what I mean. So let me log in to this account. All right. You see, I just log into this account. There are lots of benefits of participating in this Pcyber ICT services or Pcyber forum activities. Now, after you sign up, click on the navigation bar or my account page. When you click on my account, this logo you see, or the navigation bar, go to referral contest. When you click on referral contest, you will see a referral link. Have you seen it? And this is the contest, Pcyber Ref. Here is a short description about the contest, which is referring friends to pcyber.com.ng just got more sweeter. You understand? So take your time and read it. And you can see the contest is ending tomorrow at 12 a.m. Tomorrow at 12 a.m. So at the end of this, you see all you need to do in order to win for this contest, in order to participate and in order to win, to be the lucky winner. The prize for this contest, which we are giving out, is 5,000 P check, and 5,000 P check, which is equivalent to what, 5,000 Nigerian naira. So here is the top referrals. You can see the list is empty. It's just a fresh contest. So it's empty. It's just a fresh contest. So all you need to do is to copy your referral link and share it with your friends. Tell them to sign up. Whenever someone clicks on your link, it saves the cookies in his browser. Let's say when he signs up, he uses your referral name, or when he clicks sign up, automatically the referral space will be filled and he's going to sign up. So as soon as he sign up, you will be awarded. It will list here. It will show in your leaderboard. It will show that someone signed up with you. You understand? So when you are done, you just keep coming and check your top referrals. This is the leaderboard. You see those who are registered and how many referrals they've got. So once the time for this contest expires, you will get credited. You get credited with 5,000 P check. So when you get credited with 5,000 P check, all you do is to request for withdrawal. You click on that withdrawal, or you click on support tickets, or you click on the WhatsApp bar and message any of our agents. We are going to credit you. Remember, you cannot cheat the system. So it's very, very wise enough. If you are signing up with multiple accounts on a phone, it's very wise enough. So there are criteria. We are going to scrutinize you. You understand? We are going to check out if you did not cheat anything, you did not cheat the system, then you are lucky enough. And remember, the referral contest continue going. Every week we'll be dropping contest, and this is the first time, and that is why I'm announcing it. But other contests could be a tax, it could be just a tax, it could be just a contest, maybe follow someone on Facebook, a contest of just like someone, a contest of just react to a post, or a contest of sharing a post or updating a status on WhatsApp. So there's so many contests, and the price could differ. So you can have tomorrow contest could be 10,000 naira, 30,000 naira, 40,000 naira. It depends on our agreement with our advertisers and our producers. So this is how to benefit. So this is the first contest, and we hope to see you, and we hope and wish you to be the lucky winner of this contest. So what are you waiting for? Come on, sign up and get the ball rolling. Enjoy.